Thank you, Bob. Philippine Islands Assassin. Eto ang scores nyo.
Perfect.
Thank you, guys.
Tapos magleto lang.
May 9 yan.
Ito ang scores nyo.
Oh, nice.
Eto ang scores nyo.
Congratulations to Philippine Islands Assassin for the
Thank you so much, neighbors. My good people, we love you so much.
Next month, may finals namin bukas.
Lakas po na silent po kami ni Bong Navarro with Kia. Dito tayo lakas pika. Happy belated happy birthday kay June Matias from Richard Reynante. Lagi mo natin na maging sa balik sa habang ang buhay ay well.